So I'm very excited to present my project. If you give me an opportunity to maybe shift the screen to my presentation, is a company that I founded about 4 years ago with an idea to optimize health of urban and not necessarily urban dogs. So far we have developed a line of health optimization products for pets. And what's unique about our line, it's not only vitamins and supplements, it's bacteria based. And during the last 4 years of research, we were able to file a patent for two very unique ingredients. First of all, that's bacteria, and second of all, that's silica. And just to define the scope of innovation of this particular product, I would like to address a little bit those two elements. So our USP is, first of all, the bacteria was nominated by General Association for General Applied Microbiology Bacteria of the Year for Research and Science of 2023, which we are very happy and proud of. And secondly, our liquid patented silica is quite a groundbreaking also innovation in pets world, because on one side, bacteria allows formation of microbiome as a positive bacteria, and on the other side, silica allows regeneration of soft tissue. By soft tissue, I mean everything that is skin related, joints, muscles, lining of internal organs. So that's why with those two elements, we have quite groundbreaking position in the pet supplement world. But let's go back to my personal story, just to step back 4 years ago when I got this idea. So this idea developed from my personal story as my dog, who was 12 years old at the time, Wally, as you can see in the picture. He got quite severe sickness, completely out of nowhere. He was completely healthy. And in 3 days, he had pancreatitis inflammation. And I was taking him from one vet to another, hoping that somebody can give him a solution, because he was not eating, losing weight, and quite disoriented. So as a solution, I only got two options as of pain medicine and antibiotics. And when I was talking to the vets, they told me that our only hope that his immune system is going to kick in, and that will help him to survive. Otherwise, there's only two options: antibiotics and pain medicine. Coming from a family of doctors, I know that much that both of those elements kill an immune system, not help an immune system. So I refused to give it to my dog. And at the time, I was consulting a health optimization company for humans. And I was lucky to have access to really great researchers. I drove directly to Tübingen, and by the way, we are based in Frankfurt, Germany, and there is a very well-known medical science city, Tübingen. So this company was based in Tübingen, and I drove there asking to help my dog. And of course, the scientists said, well, what can we do? We're not vets. So, but nevertheless, they gave me a few elements that would support immune system, and based on that, my dog got better. At the time, I was doing consulting. I had marketing school, and I was also consulting on business development. So I immediately saw an opportunity to help animals, because I've seen a lot of animals having the same trouble. So I did a massive marketing research. I had 35 people helping me with that. And with this marketing research, we came to the point that there is indeed a possibility to change the way healthcare works for pets. As of right now, we're going through the revolution of longevity for humans. And as everybody knows, just 100 years ago, life expectancy of human was about 32 years. Now, 100 years later, the life expectancy tripled. But what I realized talking to the vets, life expectancy of animals still the same. But does it really have to be? Because all the medical innovation, all the bacteria innovation, all the innovation within immune system and microbiomes can be applied for healthcare of animals. And instead of treating them as they have a problem, why don't we shift the focus for preventive care? So from that idea, I spent last 4 years on developing this preventive line of healthcare products for animals. So this is my story. And now I would like to go briefly into short numbers. As you can see, the pet food market is growing tremendously globally and especially in Europe. There is an average 7% increase of pet population, as has been recorded globally. There is 10 million dogs just in Germany, 92 million dogs in EU, and over 471 million globally. So as you can see, the potential of growth is there, and us being a very innovative product, having as I said, we already have a patent worldwide that will be valid for next 8 years. We filed it 2 years ago, so it's a 10-year patent. So what exactly this product does? As I said, this innovative bacteria, Bacillus subtilis, it does a very unique thing. It optimizes microbiome of the dog and fights pathogenic bacteria in microbiome. What's the difference between our bacteria to available bacteria on the market, like lacto and bifidobacteria? You probably all know about these products. So how should I say it? Lacto and bifidobacteria considered to be live bacteria, and therefore in connection with aggressive stomach acid of animal, it dies immediately. So anything that is product based on these bacteria have placebo effect. Our bacteria is designed to be in sleeping mode, so it's covered by a protective shell. So when it connects to stomach acid, which is quite aggressive, it survives that, surpasses the gastro tract, landing itself in stomach and the gut of the animal, and opens up there in a connection with proteins. So to finish up the science, it actually allows access of the bacteria to the gut of the animal, where it meets other pathogenic bacteria and able to line the lining of the stomach with positive bacteria, create a non-specific immune defense, which is immune system of the animal. As you see, probably our dogs have adjusted to our busy lifestyle. So they go to travel with us, they go to hotels, they usually have quite traditional form of dog food. Whether it's wet food or dry food, it makes no difference. There is no bacteria in there. And also, I would say the quality of dog food has been luckily increasing, but generally it still stays very low because it's lacking general nutrition, because dog food usually generated from leftovers of human food production. So the quality of it is quite low, unfortunately. And now they also mix it with a lot of grain products, which is actually not so great for animals as well, generating all kinds of digestive issues, as of allergies, as of digestion problems, as of quite a lot of different situations, which I don't want necessarily go into, let's say, bacterial diseases of the animals, but you understand that generally animals under a lot of stress and have very low access to options. So actually, here's my dog. He is now 18 years old, absolutely healthy and happy once I get to join the call. So that's why he's jumping on. But to continue the conversation, PawPro products are recommended to prevent various infectious diseases. It also recommended to support regular, stable, non-specific immune system. Non-specific immune system is immune system that animals are born with. So also it advised to use for any therapeutical programs like anti-parasite treatments. For example, if your dog had any kind of antibiotics, it highly advised to use it to restore microbiome flora. Then also there's quite a big wave of new diseases for dogs, as of dogs having allergies, food allergies, environmental allergies, all kinds of skin issues, as of neurodermatitis on allergies. So with balancing microbiome, it has a direct effect also on the skin and overall health. So also this product can be used for wound healing. So our bacteria has been FDA approved and also European standards approval. We are producing our product in Germany here locally. We're Germany designed and made product. So we have a production facility not far from Frankfurt, just about an hour and a half ago. We produce on outsourced basis, and we partner for this with quite known research center, Dr. Rieling's Medical Research Center. We're very established in bacteria world and immune system world. They've been in Germany present about 30 years, so we are very lucky to have them as our partners. So just to talk about our product line, so far we are producing our first product, which is our strongest formula, but we also understand that not all the dogs are the same and not every product can cure everything. So we designed and already tested a line of 12 products. 6 products would be supplemental products that will solve various problems from detoxification, from allergy relief, from stress management, digestive issues, problems with bones and joints, and also multivitamin plus bacteria. So we are sustainable, fully designed sustainable, including packaging. We use in glass bottles, we use in recyclable plastic for the tip, and also recyclable paper. For me, being environmentally friendly is very important because I love animals and I love our planet, I love our environment. I would like to be as environmental neutral as it possible. So as I mentioned, our sourcing, we use only high quality ingredients. We're produced in Germany with EU sourced ingredients. Additionally, we are focused on providing fundamentally different approach to medical care of animals. So my goal is to create a movement that will allow access to the information, to the products, quality products, for anybody who has a pet. And I'm talking not only about the products, I'm also talking going direction of building awareness about preventive care. I'm talking about possibly a partnership with health insurance, creating an environment where it's kind of membership-based products, because I see this not only as a medical treatment, I see it as a normal lifestyle treatment for animals. So going further, for the last 4 years, I would say first 2 years we were focusing on research, and for the last 2 years we are focusing on entering the market and preparing the product to enter the market. And for that we have also made plans as of we launching currently in DACH region. If anybody's unaware, that's Germany, Austria, and Switzerland as of German-speaking countries, followed by France and Italy. And parallel, we prepare and launch in partnership with distributors to US market. So our marketing strategy combines, I would say, traditional Web 2 and aiming for Web 3 marketing as of mixed sources of traffic. Of course, traditional advertisement methods as Google advertisement, as Instagram and Facebook, but also our big focus is on working with influencers, because I believe only through people we can create movement to educate people on preventive care for dogs. So right now, using artificial intelligence in partnership with Yoloco.io, we pre-selected 1,500 pet related influencers, and right now we are in correspondence with 300 influencers to spread the message about PawPro. So of course, when it comes to marketing strategy, we want to apply traditional methods as participating in trade fair events for pet care, for veterinary care, and so on. And also, of course, networks and partnerships. So we're talking about the partnership with vets and also pet-related networks as of possibly platforms for pets, also groomers, and so on. Also, we are focusing, in addition to broadcast our message through Deutsche Presseagentur, which covers all print, radio, and TV journalists. So for the sales strategy, shortly to go on numbers, we are a very efficient company because we designed as lean company. We don't have very high overhead. We have quite low overhead, and because everything based on outsourced production, we keep all our intellectual properties in-house. But when it comes to production and marketing and so on, we are outsourcing. So briefly, if you would like to see the numbers, our break-even point is 650 units, which is in the scope of the market that I described. A potential reach is absolutely nothing. I'm quite confident with absolutely lowest rate of conversion of less than 1%. We will be able to reach that on already first month of entering the market. And from there, the potential of growth is quite high because all this sales strategy was calculated on one product, but our plan for the next 18 months is to launch 3 products quarterly that will give an opportunity of cross-selling and scaling of sales quite tremendously. So talking about our current situation, we are entering the market, and so far I carried this company with self-funding, and for me it was very important to be able to sustain the company for the last 4 years. But now once we enter in global market, we definitely looking for partnership and additional sources of liquidity. And considering us very innovative products in the field of pet care, I immediately thought that partnership with blockchain community being looking forward community when it comes to innovation and implication of this innovation, because going through traditional methods is always an option, but I would like this to be, let's say, more innovative project. So that's why I'm here presenting this project to you, blockchain community. I hope that I can answer all your questions. I'm very much excited about presenting this project, and I would like to share our experience with yours and to combine those to create a future-looking project that will impact on a longer-term scale pet health and make a real impact in the world. So this is exactly why we're here, and I would like to have an open discussion about how can we put our forces together and create a better future for our pets.
Thank you so much, Katrina. Such a beautiful project. I love it. And